Decoding English. Unlock vocabulary with context clues. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can help you decipher the meaning of new words. We're talking about context clues. By the end of this video, you will know how to use context clues to better understand and improve your English vocabulary, specifically in the area of hobbies and interests, focusing on reading and writing. Context clues are hints or information the author gives in the text that helps you figure out the meaning of unfamiliar words. Imagine you're a detective, and context clues are your best tools for solving the mystery of an unknown word. These clues can be found in the same sentence, the previous sentence, or the following sentence. They can be examples, definitions, synonyms, words with the same or similar meanings, antonyms, words with opposite meanings, or general hints about the word. There are four main types of context clues. 1. Definition or explanation clues. The author directly defines or explains the meaning of the unfamiliar word in the sentence. Example: Jane loves to peruse, or carefully read, her books. Here, carefully read is the direct definition of peruse. 2. Synonym or restatement clues. The author uses a synonym or restates the meaning of the unfamiliar word in the sentence. Example: Emily has a voracious, or insatiable, appetite for novels. Here, insatiable is a synonym for voracious. 3. Antonym or contrast clues. The author uses an antonym or contrasts the unfamiliar word with a familiar one. Example: Unlike her brother who is indifferent to books, Sarah is an avid reader. Here, avid is contrasted with indifferent, suggesting that Sarah is very enthusiastic about reading. 4. Example or inference clues. The author gives examples or situations that help infer the meaning of the unfamiliar word. Example: As a bibliophile, John has an extensive collection of novels, biographies, and poetry. Here, the words extensive collection of novels, biographies, and poetry give a hint that bibliophile means someone who loves books. Practice is crucial to master the art of identifying context clues. Whenever you encounter a word you don't know, rather than rushing to a dictionary, first try to make an educated guess about the word's meaning using the surrounding text. Remember, the more you practice, the better you will get at deciphering words from their context. We've reached the end of our journey into the world of context clues. By learning to spot these clues, you can boost your vocabulary and reading comprehension skills, making the English language more accessible and enjoyable. Remember, like any other skill, it requires practice. Happy reading and vocabulary hunting. And, as always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring the beautiful world of English.